When you're watching a tutorial online, the settings other people use will be what worked for them in those conditions, but they might not be right for you in the conditions that you're in. So if you've recently watched a tutorial and you're thinking, these settings really aren't working, this is where you need to change your thought process and bring into play your analytical mind. Like with any part of the photographic process, it's not a cookie cutter hobby, it's an experimental hobby, and that's what makes it so exciting. Even with the millions of photographs out there, you can still get one that's unique to you and unique to the conditions that you're in. So change one of those principal settings if it's not working for you, or change the exposure compensation if you're in P, A, or S mode, and basically play around with those settings. The more you play with them, the more you'll start to understand how it works and how it can help you get the shot that you really want. And this is such an important part of photography. If you take some settings that you found online and expect to get a great shot first time, you might get lucky, but you're not really learning anything when you're doing that. So by all means, find the settings online or in a tutorial and start with those, but then try changing them to see if you can make your photograph better, or if you can just change the look of your photograph. This is when you'll start to learn so much about photography and about how your camera works and about how you can make your photographs so much better. So that's my little tip for the day, and now on to the giveaway. Last month I hit the 50,000 subscriber mark, and so I decided to do a giveaway. I have 2 freewell filters and a K&F tripod, and they have to go to one of you. I wish I could give them to every single one of you that entered to say thank you, but unfortunately I'm not a millionaire, so I have to pick just one person. I've got my laptop and I'm going to use commentpicker.com. This collates all of the comments and picks one at random. So I've got it here. I've got the 50K giveaway. And all I need to do is copy the URL across. So I'm just going to do that now. There we go, I've copied it and I'll paste it in here, then get YouTube comments. So what this does is it just finds all of the comments and puts them into a list. So 198 of you commented. I'll scroll down here, and then I'll click start. So good luck if you have entered. And the winner is Marlo Blomker. Now, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry if I haven't, but congratulations, Marlo. You've won yourself 2 freewell filters and a tripod. Marlo said, congratulations for 50K. I started photography this year and managed to get a hold of a camera, a lens, and a tripod. I'm very young and short of money, would love to get my hands on a polarizing filter. It's always amazing when creators give back to their communities. Thanks for these great giveaways. Well, thank you very much, Marlo, for entering, and well done. All you need to do is email me. My email is mike@boxheadmike.com. I've replied to your comment, so get in contact with me through email. And as long as you comply with the rules, I'll be sending you 2 freewell filters of your choice and the tripod from K&F. Now don't worry too much about the rules, they're pretty relaxed. All you need to do is prove you are who you say you are and that it's your channel. And then give me your postal address so I can send them to you. But we'll discuss all of this in the email when you get in contact with me. Once again, thanks everyone for watching, liking and commenting. I do really appreciate all of you. I have a lot of ideas for my channel this year, and as long as we're all allowed to start moving again and all the lockdowns, curfews and restrictions are lifted, hopefully 2021 will be a much better year. And as long as all of this happens, I'll be producing a lot more tutorials to help you and your photography. Now, if you like this video and want to see more, click on this one next, or to binge watch a load of my tutorials, click on this link down here. And if you haven't already, subscribe for weekly videos in photography and videography. I'll see you next time.